what's happening.
Alright, y'all. I'm finna show y'all how we hook the evap smoke machine, Southside, Fort Worth, Texas style. You know what I'm saying? There's some inexpensive stuff you can do instead of trying to get you a smoke machine. There go my assistant on Craig. Let's see Craig. You know what I'm saying? We goddamn me. Show you what we did. We got us a 5-gallon bucket, right? And the top of it, here go the valve stem. Here go the, I guess you want to call it, this is where the smoke come out, basically. So this is the gallon bucket. This is how we did it. Just some, you know, mad scientist type shit. Here go the carburetor. I mean, you know, here go the bottom side where the air gonna come in at. This is where your air shooting down through there. So how to create the smoke? This is the way we came up with. Bam! What's that? Who knows? Got us a Vienna sausage can. Put some tape on it. Lined all the incense up. We didn't need nothing but 5 of them to create the smoke. Put it inside the McDonald's lid. Fired them up. Stuck them in the bucket. While they was smoking. Bam. Put it over top. Make sure it's sealed. Smoke shot out of there. But you gotta have a CPAP machine. We use a CPAP machine to blow the smoke through. And it just came out like that. This is my 08 Escalade. Find the vacuum leak. And that's how you do it. Real simple. I think it cost me what? What we pay, Craig?
$4, $5.
Paid.
With this and some incense.
These right here about AutoZone, get them about a foot. I use about it's about 2 foot. I charge about $1 or $2 a piece. And this valve here, same thing. This is kind of long, it's about 3 foot. But I charge about a foot. And then the bucket was given to me by my neighbor. I ain't want to find, you know, no smoke machine and pay all hundreds of dollars, so this is what I use. This is Southside, Fort Worth, nigga rigging. You know, this is how we do it. But it is what it is. It worked. Flushed to the system. Didn't have any leaks. So I got to go to plan B, maybe. Thank y'all for watching my channel. Subscribe for questions. Holla at your boy.